What's going on, guys? Today we got some Anker USB wires. Alright guys, so you guys should know Anker by now. If you don't, check out, the playlist section, the tech playlist section, accessories I think it's called. We do a ton of Anker products. Big fan of Anker on this channel. Not paid or sponsored. We purchased this with our own money. These are, if you guys missed the title, the USB A to USB C wire. Here we go. So I bought a 2-pack on Amazon. It was $9.99, and here we go. So we got the Anker branding on the wires. This is the braided cable. Again, USB A to USB C. Why are we shooting this? Let me just see. So it's a 3-foot 2-pack braided wire, USB A to USB C. Doesn't have a power rating on it, where most of them do, and made in Vietnam. So it says here on the packaging, I'll show you guys, worry-free warranty, yada yada yada, whatever. So yeah. Basically, the purpose of this video is to showcase that they do make these wires. Every brand makes them, the cheap Chinese ones, Anker. I got tired of purchasing the cheaper ones, and basically, if you have a vehicle that's set up with USB, most of the newer vehicles still to this day still haven't put in USB-C direct connections to go from C to C. So technology is moving faster than everything else. iPhone now has USB-C on it. A lot of computer systems have USB-C capable on it. Everything else is kind of slower to get up to that point. So in the vehicle specifically is why I bought this. The USB-A side goes into the car. USB-C goes into your phone. Whether you have an iPhone now, the 15 has it, or some of the Android phones, I don't know off the top of my head, have USB-C, and whatever else that you need USB-C to charge with, now you can charge directly into your car. The only other way to do it besides buying a wire like this is buying the cigarette lighter dongles, which I have reviews on. If you guys, again, tech accessories playlist, check them out there. You can get USB-C dongles that have USB-A and C on there, or just straight USB-C if you don't care or want to upgrade any of your wires to USB-C to C, or whatever you guys want to do. There's a million different combos and ways you can go about doing it. It's just whatever you choose to do. In my particular situation, I did not want to have another cigarette port utilized for a charging wire. And you can also get these style wires, the A, again, to connect directly to your car if your car doesn't have like GPS, or if you want to do CarPlay, you don't want to do it wirelessly, or if your car doesn't have wireless. Again, there's a million different reasons and configurations that you can do. It's just whatever route you choose to go, it's up to you. So, if you do it wirelessly and your car doesn't have a wireless charger, then you need to have a wire, so you might as well have the wire so you can plug directly into your car so it shows up on your screen on the car and you can still charge the phone. Again, this will get you through 90% of those configurations without having to drive yourself crazy. Just get the direct transfer wire, again, A to C. You can charge and connect it to your vehicle with one wire and not have to worry about connecting it wirelessly and doing anything else. Again, we're not getting into all of that. We're specifically talking about this particular wire. Again, 2-pack for $10 on Amazon. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions about this particular wire, or specifically why we're using it and connecting to a vehicle, comment down below, let us know. Follow us on Instagram. You can ask questions there, private message us. We get back to everybody. Try and help you guys as much as possible. That's the whole purpose of this channel. And yeah, so that's all we got for you guys. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you guys want to subscribe, please do so. We greatly appreciate it. Take care.